This video was created as the learning portfolio of using Publipreneur-based language learning (PBLL) collaborative project as thematic approach for non-native speakers of English in Indonesia. Here the learners were scouted to use basic skill of language reading, writing, listening, speaking within the learning steps starting from pre-writing, drafting, revising, editing, publishing, marketing, delivering. It is suggested that after watching video, the viewers would give comment, like and subscribe.
Hello everyone, I will explain the audiobook results of the PBLL collaborative project-based approach for the study program of publishing, photography, and broadcasting, which is guided by our lecturer, Dr. Zulfa, MPD. What is computer software? A. Definition software. Software is a part of a computer system that has no physical form and is invisible because a collection of electronic data that is stored and managed by a computer in the form of a program that can execute an order. And now, I will explain a definition according to expert, such as 1. Wiwit Siswotomo. According to Wiwit Siswotomo, software is the soul of hardware or computer because without software, a computer is simply a dead and usable piece of hardware. According to Roger S. Pressman, the notion of software is a program command in a computer which, when executed by the user, will provide functions and performance as expected by the user. In other words, the software function gives commands to the computer so that it can function optimally according to user commands. B. General software functions. Basically, the main function of the software is to make a computer run commands from the user. Referring the notion of software described above, some of the software functions are as follows. 1. Provides the basic function of a computer so that it can be operated. 2. Manage every hardware on the computer so that it can work simultaneously. 3. Become a liaison between some other software and the hardware on the computer. 4. The software also functions as a translator. 5. Software can also identify a program that is on a computer. C. Classification software. Although the main function of software is a liaison between hardware and the user, the use of software turns out to be divided into several types. The software classification is as follows: system software, real-time software, business software, engineering and scientific software, artificial intelligence or AI software, web-based software, and personal computer software. D. Some examples of software, such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Office Word, Microsoft Office PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, Format Factory, VCL Media Player, AIM Pic3, Fastone Image Viewer, Recycle Bin, CorelDRAW, Photoshop, Opera Mini, and CC Cleaner. E. Characteristic of software. Characteristics of software are classified into 6 main components. 1. Functionality refers to the level of performance of the software against predetermined goals. 2. Reliability refers to the ability of the software to provide the desired functionality under certain conditions. 3. Usability refers to the extent to which the software can be used easily. 4. Efficiency refers to the ability of software to use system resources in the most effective and efficient manner. 5. Maintainability refers to the property of the modification that can be made in a software system to expand its functionality, improve its performance, or correct errors. 6. Portability refers to the fact that a software developer can transfer software from one platform to another without or with minimal change. In simple terms, it refers to ability of a software to function properly on multiple hardware and software platforms without making any change of them. F. Commonly used software development methods. Let's get to know 6 of many commonly used software development methods, such as 1. Waterfall software development method. The waterfall method is known as a traditional method, which is now considered outdated and flexible. The waterfall method was first created in the 1970s and has been the leading and widely used software development method for decades. 2. Agile software development methods. The agile software development methods arose out of the strong desire to leave the old method or waterfall inflexible. Here's an overview of the agile method. 1. More respect for interpersonal relationships and interactions, not only concerned with the means or tools. 2. Display collaboration with users during the development process. 3. Respond to change, not only just follow the plan that has been set. 4. Focus on showing software that actually works, not just concerned with documentation. 3. Scrum software development methods. The Scrum method basically borrows from the philosophy of Agile method in that the developer and the user must work together on an ongoing basis every day. The way it works is by breaking down the final goal into several small goals at the beginning of the project and working on those small goals first. 4. RAD software development methods. RAD, or Rapid Application Development, is a method short development process to produce a high-quality system with low investment costs. There are 4 stages in the RAD method, namely requirements planning, user designs, construction or construction transition from the old system to the new system. 5. Prototype software development methods. This method triggers the developer to only sample the resolution to officially demonstrate the function essence of the product to the user. The developer will make the necessary changes according to user requests. 6. DevOps software development methods. DevOps is not only the system development method, but rather a set of practices that support an organizational culture. The method is centered on the change that enhance cooperation between departments responsible for different segments of the organization life cycle development. the cycle in class development, quality assurance, and execution or operation. Thank you to the one and only God who has given us fluency in our assignments. And thanks to our college, as well as to the supervisors, and all the weaknesses and strengths, we beg to be understood. Thank you.